AI tools are transforming the way we generate income, and in 2025, they're more powerful than ever. Let's dive into some of the most impactful tools that are helping people thrive financially. First up is ChatGPT, still reigning as the top choice for income generation. This tool is a game changer for anyone looking to write ebooks, create prompt packs, or offer SEO and copywriting services. Imagine being able to crank out social media content packs in a fraction of the time it used to take. If you're selling digital products or services, ChatGPT can speed up your workflow by tenfold, allowing you to focus on scaling your business. Next, we have Pictory, which is revolutionizing the way faceless YouTube channels operate. This tool takes your scripts and transforms them into full-length videos, complete with stock footage, AI voiceovers, and auto captions. Creators are leveraging Pictory to build monetized YouTube channels, produce engaging reels, and even package content for clients. The potential for both personal and freelance income is massive, making it a must-have for aspiring content creators. Then there's the powerful duo of Midjourney and Canva. The combination of AI-generated images and user-friendly design tools is a goldmine for anyone looking to sell. From print-on-demand merchandise to Etsy digital art and even Canva template bundles, the possibilities are endless. AI art provides unique assets, while Canva helps you market them effectively, tapping into a lucrative market. Opus Clip is another standout tool, allowing creators to repurpose long videos into viral shorts and reels. This tool is a goldmine for content creators who want to maximize their reach. Agencies are charging between $100 and $300 for batches of short-form videos, creating a recurring income stream. If you're already producing content, Opus Clip can significantly multiply your earning potential. Lastly, let's talk about Jasper AI, a favorite among bloggers and copywriters. It excels at generating full blog articles, landing pages, email sequences, and ad copy. By combining Jasper with affiliate links or freelance clients, you can create a powerful income stack. The beauty of these tools is that you don't need to be a coder to succeed. Focus on AI tools that streamline content and product creation, and stack simple services to sell on platforms with built-in traffic. In 2025, the key to making money with AI lies in using these tools effectively, not in building them. Embrace the technology, leverage its capabilities, and watch your income grow.